Hey everyone, it's Rebecca here from Living Off Your Backyard. Today we're going to talk to you about staking your tomato plants. So basically we are using fiberglass rods. You can use anything that you have on hand. A piece of wood cut into a stake would work just fine. You want to put it into the ground about 5 or 6 inches away from the main stem of the plant because you don't want to damage the roots. So you want to push it down into the ground a few inches so that it's not going to fall over under the weight. We like to cage and stake our tomatoes because we find that sometimes the cages collapse because the tomatoes just get too heavy. So you want to position the plant around the stake carefully, not to damage any leaves. And then we use a tape gun, this thing, to attach the tomato to the stake. I've actually got the stake a little bit too far away from the main, so I've got to move it a little bit closer because the tomato's grown and it should have been staked a while ago, but we didn't get around to it, so now we're dealing with it now. So if you don't have a tape gun, we have also used nylon, like pantyhose, because they stretch, because you don't want to strangle the stem, so you don't want to tie anything too tight. You want there to be room for it to breathe. So just like that, and it will hold the tomato up, but there's lots of room. You could go a little bit tighter. You can use nylon, you can use twine, garden tape, anything that you can tie around and not damage the plant. And as the plant grows, you continue staking. So I'm going to do again over here. Careful not to pinch any leaves, just like that. And then as the plant grows, you want to sort of position it and maneuver it between the cage and the stake so that it stays upright. You don't want your plant to fall over, you don't want the leaves touching the bottom, and as it grows you want to prune and continue staking for a happy plant.